Oh, kata කරන්න එපා. This is cinnamon tea we making like this. See, we making the using the cinnamon making cinnamon tea using the cinnamon wood. We taking the cinnamon peel or everything after we didn't throw this stick. This one using we fire with tea cooking. The village people. This is the Sri Lankan people. This village people still they using wood fire. The cooking time. The village people is still using wood about the cooking. Very tasty and very healthy. This කුරුඳු ගහ හැතැම්ම ශ්‍රී ලංකා gold gala. This is කුරුඳු ගහ හැතැම්ම. This name of the they giving to the name also cinnamon name. The කුරුඳු ගහ හැතැම්ම Sri Lankan name of the village. This village people always using for the tea, cinnamon tea way for the like this natural way. Still natural way they using for the cinnamon. About the tea. It's healthy tea about the cinnamon tea. See, they using about the still they using for the wood about the fire, about the cooking. This cinnamon stick, cinnamon wood, about the fire. See, very nice is the wood about the fire